The Magical Forest Adventure. One day, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat wandered into the magical forest. The trees glowed with soft, twinkling lights. "Wow, this place is amazing," said Yellow Dog, his eyes wide with wonder. Suddenly, a rabbit hopped over. "Welcome," said the rabbit. A squirrel and a deer appeared too, looking worried. "We need your help," said the squirrel. "The light in our forest is fading," explained the deer. "The glowing tree is losing its magic." Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat looked at each other. "We'll help you fix it," they said together. Sparkling lights appeared and started to guide them. "Follow us," said the rabbit. They reached the glowing tree. It looked dim and sad. "We need to find the missing glow gems to restore its light," said the squirrel. Yellow Dog sniffed around and found the first glow gem under a bush. Sky Blue Cat climbed a tree and found the second glow gem in a nest. The woodland creatures found the last glow gem in a sparkling stream. They placed the glow gems in the glowing tree. Slowly, it started to shine brightly again. "We did it!" everyone cheered. The forest was bright and magical again. "Thank you for helping us," said the deer. As the sun set, it was time to go. "Goodbye, friends." Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat waved. "We'll never forget our magical forest friends," said Sky Blue Cat, curling up for a cozy sleep.